Hi, I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au and I'm a Mailchimp partner. In this video, I'm going to explain what role-based email addresses are and how we can add them to Mailchimp. In my classes, my Mailchimp classes, I often get asked by people to explain what role-based email addresses are. Well, role-based email addresses are those email addresses that are generally shared. They're based on a job function or role, such as office at, support at, accounts at, IT at, etc. These email addresses, these role-based email addresses, are firstly very easy for spammers to guess. Many of us would have support at or accounts at and so on our domain names. Secondly, emails sent to those email addresses are often marked as spam or junk, which is not good for your domain or Mailchimp's domain reputation. So how do we add role-based email addresses to Mailchimp? Well, if you have an integration, in other words, connect your external software directly to Mailchimp, your role-based email addresses generally will come through. Where you won't be able to add role-based email addresses, or let me be more specific, would seldom be able to add role-based email addresses, is when you're copying and pasting while importing into Mailchimp, or when you're using Excel or even Google Sheets or a CSV file for that matter and importing directly into Mailchimp. So again, the role-based email addresses will come through if we're using an integration, for example, but not when we're importing from a CSV or Excel file, for example. So let me just quickly show you how we can add a role-based email addresses manually to Mailchimp. So I'll take us over to Mailchimp itself. I'm in Mailchimp. I'm in my audience, which is my container of people. So to add a role-based email address, all we need to do is click Add Contacts, Add a Subscriber, and then we can add the role-based email address, such as this one that I'm adding is office at, for example. And I'll fill in any other fields I want to fill in, and just fill in the necessary bits, click subscribe, and now this role-based email address will be added to my audience and I'll be able to send email marketing to this email address. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel or like this video, and thank you for joining me. My name is Gary from organicweb.com.au.